Hola! Did you know that you can make a beautiful traditional Spanish paella but using pasta instead of rice? Yes, you can. This delicious meal is called Fideuá. So if you're ready, let's get started. You have all the ingredients in the description. You can make it of any type, but we're gonna go with a chicken style. First of all, the pasta. We're using this Fideuá small round pasta, but you can use the elbow type or basically any type of pasta for this. You can see the difference, the small one and the large one. Anything goes. First of all, I'm going to peel and chop and thinly slice the onion. After the onion, I will prepare 2 garlic cloves. Now it's time for the pepper. I'm going with green and red to make it more colorful. Now I have all my vegetables together. This will be used for the sofrito or stir fry. And finally, I'm preparing this pepper, which will go on top. I'm using a paella pan, but if you don't have one, don't worry, any type goes. First of all, I'm stir frying the garlic and I'm going to sear the meat here, the chicken wings. Just for a minute or two should be enough. After a couple of minutes, when it's brown and crispy, I remove it from the pan. And now I add a little bit more oil. My pan's a bit sticky because it's a paella pan, typically sticky. Now I'm adding the onion. Mix it all together. Now it's time for the peppers. We mix them one more time, preparing our sofrito or stir-fry vegetable base. Now it's when I'm adding the spices. First of all is the black ground pepper. And then some salt. Add it at taste. I'm stir-frying all together. I'm adding some tomato sauce or tomato puree, or if you have some grated tomatoes, anything goes. And now I'm adding the pasta. Time to mix everything up again. Since this is a chicken paella, I prepared some chicken stock. If you don't have any chicken stock, you can use water. But this will make it more delicious, definitely. And now I'm adding my paella spices. This is basically a mix of saffron and sweet paprika. Mix it all together. And now in a mid-fire, I'm gonna let it cook for like 15 minutes. And I'm placing all the chicken wings and drumsticks on top, together with some peas, which are not really the orthodox thing for a Fideuá or paella, but I quite like it. Just do your own thing. And the same thing goes for these peppers. I like to give it a touch of color. So just do it your way. Again, I'm not touching anything and I'm letting it cook for approximately 10 minutes, 15 if you let it rest with a lid, as I'm doing. After all the stock is gone, your Fideua is ready. Now it's the moment of truth. I'm gonna serve the Fideua to my wife and myself and see how good it turned out. I quite fancy to add a little drizzle of lemon on top, or I also like to use my alioli sauce, which is like garlic mayo kind of. Extra touch of lemon, and let's try it. It's wonderful, delicious. Now, leave this in the comments below. Which one do you like best? Paella or Fideua? I hope you enjoyed the video. Buen provecho. Enjoy. Adios.